Hello, my name is Christian Cardona, and today I will be discussing our SPL-4 assignment, which is on the topic of discussing the major DBMS products that are on the market today. To start, I'd like to explain the differences between a database and DBMS. So to start, a database is basically an organized collection of data, such as a student database, a customer database, or an inventory database. A database is also a data structure that stores organized information. Most of your databases that you will find today contain tables, which may also include several different fields. On the other hand, your DBMS, which stands for Database Management Systems, this is a system that manages the database, manages the organized collection of data. It's the manager of that data. It's one of the important components of any information system. And some examples of a DBMS would include Microsoft Access, SQL, and Oracle. And so the purpose of a DMS is to accept data, display data, share access to the data, retrieve data, as well as generate reports in the end. Next, I'd also like to go into explaining what a relational database is. And so a relational database also goes by RDB. That's a common acronym that you will see for a relational database. And basically, an RDB is a collective set of multiple data sets which are organized by tables, records, and columns. And so basically the difference is that the RDB establishes that well-defined relationship between the database tables. The database tables contain information and they share information with each other, and the RDB will facilitate that data searchability, organization, and reporting of the data. The RDBs organize the data in different ways, and through the tables, which are also known as a relation. These tables contain one or more category columns, so your information will be included in those columns. Each table will record the unique data instance defined for a corresponding column category. And so just more simply speaking, to give a more understandable definition, your relational database management system is a system that stores data in the tables. In the database terminology, your relation is equivalent to a table. So the relation is equivalent to a table. The relation that we find is between the columns and the rows. And those relationships are represented through a table. The row is called a record, and the column is called a field. And two examples of a RDBMS on the market include Oracle, which is an enterprise version, and Microsoft Access, which is a desktop version. Those are just two examples. And these two brands provide RDBMS, Relational Database Management Systems, on the market, which are available for purchase. Next, I'd like to go into the database management systems that are available for purchase today. After doing some research, I found the top 20 most popular database management software. So today, I will be giving a presentation on the top 10. The top 5 will give a more in-depth presentation and then further list the next top 5. So your top 5 that you will find today include Oracle, IBM, MySQL, as well as the next two would be the Microsoft SQL and Amazon AWS. So those are your top 5 database management software. Oracle is the top one, the top dog in this industry, and so they're the leading enterprise. And basically what they will offer you is secure data management and transaction processing. And those are the top 2 things that will stick out for their business, and we'll set them aside from the other ones. The next choice that you have is known as IBM. And so IBM is our top number 2. They are a DB2 enterprise for Linux, Unix, and Windows. It's the ideal data server if you have that demanding workload. And so it's designed to help firms minimize the time and the effort it takes to persist and use their XML data, reducing development costs and thus improving business agility. Number 3 on the market includes MySQL. MySQL we learned partially about in Comp 25. And so MySQL is basically, to provide a difference from the top two, it includes the most comprehensive set of advanced features, management tools, and technical support to achieve the highest levels of scalability, security, reliability, and uptime. And it also reduces the risk, cost, and complexity in developing, deploying, and managing business-critical MySQL applications. The next top two that you will find in the top 5 are Microsoft SQL and Amazon AWS. So the Microsoft SQL will provide you with rapid delivery for the next generation, as well as in delivering you e-commerce and line of business solutions. After that, we have Amazon AWS. Amazon AWS is highly available, so it's one of the advantages of using it. As well, it provides a flexible, non-relational data store that offloads the work of database administration. And so the other 5 that are included in your top 10 include FileMaker, Teradata, MariaDB, SAP or SAP, as well as Adminer. And so I found this information using capterra.com as well as our textbook. So those are your top 10 that are included in the database management software that are included today. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It gave you a better look at the database management software that was involved in today's sales. So today we looked at the major DBMS products that are on the market. And in summary, I basically gave you the differences between databases and DBMS, as well as explaining a relational database. The second half of my video went over going the top 20 database management software, which included Oracle, IBM, and MySQL, along with Microsoft SQL, Amazon AWS, FileMaker, as well as Teradata, MariaDB, SAP, and Adminer. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you for watching.